Hello friends, this side Kanika Sharma. I am here to teach you the new topic of class 12 biology, sexual reproduction in flowering plants. The topic is female reproductive system. In this topic, we are going to discuss the first pistil, which is also called as a carpel, and the second one ovule, which is also called as a megasporangia, and the third one is megasporogenesis, and the fourth one is embryo sac, which is also called as a female gametophyte. So first we are going to discuss the first topic is the pistil, which is also called as carpel. So before going to explain this topic, we already know that the pistil or the female reproductive system basically represented by the term gynoecium, because androecium represent the male reproductive part of the flower. So here the gynoecium represent the female reproductive part of the flower. So gynoecium represent the female reproductive part of the flower. So here the gynoecium consists of a single pistil. That means अगर gynoecium के पास means female reproductive part के पास अगर एक pistil present होगा, that means in the male reproductive organ, the stamen represent their body, and here in the gynoecium represent the female reproductive part of the flower, and it's basically represented by the pistil and the carpel. So if one pistil is present in one flower, so it is called as monocarpellary. जैसे कि इसके नेम से ही इंडिकेट हो रहा है, monocarpellary. Mono means single or one, carpellary means carpel. And if one or more pistil is present in one flower, so it is also called as multicarpellary. इसके नेम से ही इंडिकेट हो रहा है, मल्टी मीन्स मैनी एंड कार्पलरी मीन्स कार्पल. So these two terms is quite different from each other. But if we talk about in multicarpellary, so if in this multicarpellary, जैसे कि यहाँ पे देखा है मोनोकार्पलरी में सिर्फ सिंगल पिस्टल ही प्रेजेंट होता है, ठीक है, और मल्टीकार्पलरी में एक से ज़्यादा पिस्टल प्रेजेंट होता है. अगर मैं मल्टीकार्पलरी की बात करूँ, when there are more than one pistil may be fused together, means if pistil present more than one or more than pistil is present in one flower, so pistil may be fused together. If pistil is maybe fused together, the term is to be called as syncarpus. Syn means, here the term is syn means together, they live together. Okay, so here the example of syncarpus is papereva. Paper eba, why we called as a paper eba? So there is a simple logic to learn this example is, in your family, your father, your parent is like support all your family, means एक साथ रहते हैं, all support कौन देता है? Your father, papa. So you can learn this term by the word is papa, paper eva. Okay, so another one is, if the pistol may be free, means these pistol live may be free in flower, so we called as apocarpus. So apo means free here, means they live free. So here is the example of this apocarpus is Micaria. You can learn this term with the help of the name of famous actor, celebrity, it's Michael Jackson. Like आप इस टर्म से इस वर्ड को लर्न कर सकते हैं, राइट? सो नाउ आफ्टर अंडरस्टैंडिंग द टर्म पिस्टल, you know everyone, each pistol has 3 parts. आप सभी को पता है पिस्टल के 3 पार्ट्स होते हैं, जैसे कि स्टेमन के 2 पार्ट्स होते हैं, एंथर एंड फिलामेंट. सेम उसी तरीके से हर एक पिस्टल के 3 पार्ट्स होते हैं, उन्हें 3 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया जाता है. फर्स्ट होता है स्टिग्मा, सेकंड होता है स्टाइल एंड थर्ड होता है ओवरी. ओके, so let us understand this term with the help of diagram. So these are the stigma, okay, and this narrow tube is called style. Okay, like it's a elongated slender part below the stigma, and the basal bulge part below this style is the ovary, right? And inside the ovary there is cavity is present, and this cavity is known as, we called as a ovarian cavity, or we also called as a locule, right? And the placenta is located inside the ovarian cavity. These are the placenta, and the placenta arise the microsporangia. Not sorry, it's here it's megasporangia. So these placenta arise the or attach the ovule, we called as a ovule or megasporangia here, right? So basically arising from the placenta are the megasporangia, and we also commonly called as a ovule, right? If we talk about the number of ovules, if single ovule is present in ovary, right? If single ovule is present in this ovary, so here we take some example to understand this. You can learn like this way: wheat, paddy and mango, right? But you can learn this 3 example: white, pad, man. ठीक है, like पैडमैन मूवी से आप इसे कोरिलेट कर सकते हैं टू लर्न दिस 3 एग्जाम्पल्स. वाइट से वीट, पैड से पैडी एंड देन मैन से mango. Now the second one is, if more than one ovule is present in ovary, मीन्स एक से ज़्यादा अगर ओव्यूल प्रेजेंट होते हैं एक ओवरी में, उसके एग्जाम्पल्स कौन कौन से हैं, उसके लिए आप जैसे कि लर्न कर सकते हो PMO. P is papaya, M for melon, and O for orchid. Right? So there is number of ovules is present in an ovary, and their example is wheat, paddy, and mango. If ovule is present more than one, so here we take the example PMO. P is for papaya, M for melon, and O for is orchid.